Well, it's time to look at market figures, and I have Capital Market Analyst and an economist, Mr. Rotimi Fakayejo. Let him bring us in up to speed with trading pattern for today. Thank you so much for joining us on the program. Mr. Fakayejo, the market is in red. What do you make of it? No, I think we're trying to connect Mr. Fakayejo via phone so that we can get his views around the trading for today. But before we do that, let me tell you that the market is down 0.43%. And for today, the gainers, we have the likes of Livestock, Honest, Intergrains, we have Small Feet, and Lasaco. For the losers today, we have the likes of Mercure, we have ABC Transport, we have Dar Communications, Guinea Insurance, and Royolex. But while we try to link up with Mr. Fakayejo, let's look at some foreign stories. Oh, Mr. Fakayejo, good afternoon. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Good afternoon.
Thank you so much. So I said the market is in red this afternoon. Was that expected, or how does it come to you?
Well, it's in the red, but it wasn't expected because, and it's quite unusual, because to a great extent, the market breadth today is positive, and we have one of the major highly capitalized stocks in the red, which is MTN. MTN lost 10 naira 80 kobo, and that translates to over 200 billion naira, and it swallowed any other little gain that the market had today. So I think it's quite unusual, and we are not likely to have a repeat of it tomorrow. So for me, the market is still in very good stead, and tomorrow I believe even MTN may bounce back, and we will have a more positive outcome for the trading.
Well, like you said, beautiful figures are still coming from the market. Yesterday, I was able to do a breakdown of Transcorp Group's figures. That's the group in its entirety, and it looked pretty good. What more are we expecting? I think it's going to be a good time. Investors will still be able to smile to the bank one way or the other. What do you make of that?
Yes, the results being churned out are quite interesting and very heartwarming. And I think maybe for the auditor reports, yes, we are still expecting quite a number of companies. Most of the banks, none of them, we have not seen any from any of the banks. And they've been writing that there might be some slight delay, maybe due to regulatory oversight and all of that. But I think what will be more interesting, I have to warn investors in advance, is that the Q1 result of 2025 is going to be very, very fantastic for a lot of companies. Wow. That will not be suffering from a foreign exchange loss anymore. So I think investors are really in for a very good thing. With good reports for the audited year 2024, and we're going to see a reverberation of interest in the market after the release of Q1 result in the month of April.
All right, then I must thank you so much as always for your time, Mr. Rotimi Fakayejo, the Capital Market Analyst, and of course, Economic Analyst. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Well, outside our shows, before we wrap up the show today, Ontario's government has officially begun to